Hi, kinders. We're going to be sorting letters. Remember the alphabet that we talked about, all 26? Well, those letters are special. Some of them are really tall. Remember, they touch the sky, the fence, and the ground. So can you stand up? Show me really tall. Stretch really tall. This is when you're really tall. Some of the letters are really small. They only touch the fence or the ground. So show me really small. Squat down. Be really, really tiny. Good job. And some letters, they fall. So I want you to show me falling. You're falling over. All right. Let's try that one more time. Some letters are tall. Stand up tall like your mommy and daddy. Some letters are small. Show me really small. And some letters fall. All right, are you ready to sort with me? So when we see a letter, you're gonna tell me if it's tall, small, or it falls. And you're gonna do it with me, okay? Can't wait, I'm so excited. Hi, kinders. Remember we talked about the alphabet yesterday? Well, today we're gonna sort the letters. So the letters are either tall, that means that they start in the sky and they pass the fence and they touch the ground. Or they're small letters. That means they start at the fence and they touch the ground. Or they're letters that fall. So here's the sky, the fence, and the ground. And look, this letter G, it falls under the ground. So if they're a small letter, it starts at the fence and touches the ground. And a tall letter starts at the sky and goes all the way down to the ground. All right, are you guys ready? We're gonna sort our letters. Okay, I want you to stand up. If it's a tall letter, it starts in the sky and goes all the way to the ground. I want you to stand up really tall like that, and then I will put the letter right here. If it's a small letter, it starts on the fence and goes down to the ground. I want you to get down and be as small as you can be. And if it's a letter that falls, I want you to fall over like that. Okay, you guys ready? Here, I'm gonna pick a hard one. M, where does it start? You're right, it starts at the fence, it goes to the ground, so it's a small letter, so get down really small. I'll have to put it in the small letter. You guys are so good. Are you ready for this tricky one? The letter Q. Is it tall? Does it touch the sky and the ground? Is it small? It is small, but do you see how it hangs? It falls down. So it's a letter that falls. That's another one. Ready? The letter X. You're right. It's small. How many of you guys are small? It starts at the fence and goes down to the ground. So we have two small letters so far. Let's see what this, here's another one. Is this tricky? The letter R. You're right. It's a small letter. It starts at the fence and goes to the ground. Don't be tricked. The letter F. It starts in the sky and it touches the ground. It's our first tall letter. So it's going to go over here under tall. The letter L. That's right. It's tall. Everybody stretch tall. The letter L is a tall letter. The letter K. Do you see this? It starts in the sky, passes the fence, it goes to the ground. So it's a tall letter. So now I have 3 tall letters, 3 small letters, and only 1 that falls. What about the letter C? That's right, it's a small letter. It's gonna go there. What is that? The letter D. That's right, it's tall. It touches the sky and it comes all the way down to the ground. The letter Z, it's small. It starts at the fence and goes to the ground. This is a tricky one. The letter J, it starts at the fence and it passes the ground and it falls. So now we have 2 letters that fall, a J and a Q. The letter O. Gosh, you guys are so good. I can't trick you. The letter O is small. It starts at the fence. How about the letter W? Is this tall, small, or does it fall? That's right. It's a small letter. Here's a tough one. The letter H. That's right, it's tall. It starts in the sky, passes the fence, and touches the ground. The letter D. Oh, is this right? No, it's the letter P. P, like pizza. I love pizza. It starts in the fence, it touches the ground, and then it falls. So now we have 3 letters that fall. J, Q, and P. How about the letter Y? You're right. It's another one that falls past the ground. The letter T. It's tall. T for tall. It starts in the sky and touches the ground. The letter U starts at the fence. That's right. It's small. The letter B, like backpack bear, starts at the sky, passes the fence, touches the ground. So it's a tall letter. Did you guys stand up tall for that one? The letter S. S for small. It starts at the fence and goes all the way down to the ground. Oh, this is a tricky one. The letter G. It starts at the fence, goes to the ground, and then it falls. It falls. The letter V. Is this a tall, small, or does it fall? You're right, it's small. It starts at the fence and goes to the ground. The letter A. It's small. You guys are getting good at this. How about the letter E? It's small too. Are you guys getting down really small when it's small? How about the letter N? It's small too. And the letter I, it's small. So if I look at this, do we have more tall letters? Or do we have more small letters? Or do we have more letters that fall? You're right, we have more small letters. All of these letters start at the fence and touch the ground. So the letter R, M, X, C, Z, O, W, U, S, V, A, E, N, and I are all small letters. While tall letters we have L, F, K, T, H, D, and B. And there's only 5 letters that fall. J, Q, P, Y, and G. Now, these are all lowercase. Remember, there's 2 names for each alphabet. These are the lowercase letters. If we were doing uppercase letters, capital letters, they would all be tall because we talked about capital letters all start in the sky, fall to past the fence, and touch the ground. So we're only sorting the lowercase letters. Can you find the letter that your name starts with? Does your name start with a tall letter, a small letter, or a letter that falls? Really? You did a great job today, boys and girls. I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.